And the word is?
Cup.
Good. R.
Flower.
B. R.
A bar.
St. R.
Star. D.
R. K.
K.
When you switch off the light, it will be
Dark.
dark. M. R. K.
Mark.
Mark. Good. Sh. R. K.
K.
Baby. Sh.
Baby
R.
shark.
Shark. Right?
Yeah.
J. R. Jar.
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 Jar. Okay? So let's write our word bank, and when we're done, we'll put our words in some sentences, right? And the only sentences we're missing are for chat and flat, right?
Yes.
So let's go write a sentence for chat. Let's see if we can read it together.
I like to chat with my friends on the
Phone.
phone.
On the phone. Well done. So we're going to write sentence number 5. Can we do it?
Yes.
Difference between phonics and the alphabet. Do you know the difference? Okay, I'll tell you the difference. The difference is that phonics is talking about the sounds, like A for
Apple.
B for
Bed.
and K for.
Cat.
Right. So when we're talking about phonics, we're talking about the sounds that the letters are making. But when we're talking about the alphabet, we're talking about the names of the letters. So the name of this letter is,
A.
and this one is,
B.
and this one is.
C.
Those are the alphabet. So the alphabet are the names of the letters. The phonics are the sounds that the letters make. Happy? So we're going to write sentences for photograph, phone, trophy, elephant, phonics, and alphabet. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Blending the letter P and the letter H. What sound is it? Do you know it? When we blend the letter P and the letter H together, the sound that they make together sounds the same as the sound for letter F. So what sound is that? F. Correct. So I'm going to help you with the sounds. You give me the word. Guys? F. O. T. O. Gr. A. F.
Photograph.
Good. F. O. N.
Phone.
Good. Tr. O. F. E.
Trophy.
This one, you know this word. I don't need to give you the sounds.
Elephant.
Good. F. On. E. K. S.
Phonics.
A. L. F. A. B. E. T.
Alphabet.
Nice.
My favorite photograph is my face on it.
Nice. Number 2.
My mom allows
Borrowed sound. When you see these lines, it's borrowed sound, right? O. Bless you. O. L. W. A. Z.
always.
Let's start again.
My mom always
Use. Use. E. Z.
uses her phone.
Louder, please. Noah and Malachi, eyes on my book, please. Okay, so we've already discussed that the letter E can make 2 different sounds, right? So for the first sound, it sounds like what?
E.
The first sound, please.
A.
For.
Elephant.
And the second sound?
E.
In.
He.
Okay, so now we're going to work on words. Can your eyes please be on this row? Now we're going to work on words that have the E sound, right?
Okay.
I'm going to give you the sounds. You give me the word. E, L, E, F, E, N, T.
Elephant.
Egg.
Egg. Egg.
Good. Bed.
Bed. Bed.
Red.
Red.
End.
End.
Nice. End.
Bend.
Nice. Fed. And compliments to the chef. And compliments to the chef. Thank you, thank you. Today, thank you for coming. I'll see you online. And peace out.